to the Tech Appreciation Week 2024. I'm Steve Shacklock, Director of Maintenance East for AIM Transportation Solutions. Year after year, the talented and dedicated technicians in our fleet keep our customers on the move and our trucks on the road. We appreciate everything you do every day, not just this week. You are the true examples of the motto, service is our only product. This year, we're going to be sending all of our technicians a Tech Appreciation Week backpack, and we're also going to be drawing for 2 Blackstone griddles. So let's see who's today's winners are. Our first winner is Kyle Mantooth from Indianapolis. Our second winner is Matthew Emanuel from Cleveland North. Congratulations, guys. Again, we appreciate everything you do on a daily basis out there. You know, without you, we wouldn't have trucks on the road and customers that are happy. So thank you again.